okay? I'm going to Kitchen and Cocktails tonight. I don't know if y'all have ever seen or heard about this restaurant, but you're going to be ready in the next 30 minutes. You know you have 30. But I felt like this unit from Myfirstwig was going to save the day. They really cut down your install time in half. They updated their wigs with this drawstring method. That wrinkle-free illusion with this drawstring method, and then the quality of their hair just is always on 100%. So if you're looking for colored units, if you're looking for beginner friendly, this unit from Myfirstwig is going to be your girl, because they do it all for you at a reasonable price. They have the hair in this little bag that comes in handy, especially if you're traveling with your wig. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the deets. This is their silky, smooth, soft texture, and this is Malaysian hair. You have a 1 to 2 year lifespan with their Malaysian hair texture, and I do have a cap size 1, which is the smallest cap size they do have, and the length on this unit is 20 inches, which I think is perfect for the look that I'm going for tonight. As you can see, it's gonna give monochromatization, but this is like an ombre, like it smells like they really washed it in some bomb ass shampoo. I'm not even gonna lie, but get into it, get into the color. She's very soft, very smooth, like they mentioned in the description. And then this is what the hairline looks like, because we obsess over hairlines around here, especially when we're in crunch mode. This is the elastic band that comes on their wigs just to give you that extra comfort. So that's what the drawstring looks like. Very easy to adjust. Just pull it down and release it by pulling it up, stretch it out, and that's pretty much how you get the wig back into its natural shape. So they do have a brown wig cap. I think they know by now how I feel about these brown wig caps. I just feel like it just elevates the parting on my wigs to make them look as natural as brown tone. So what I'm gonna do is just pop the wig on. I'm not gonna adjust anything until I have it on, so I can know the snugness that I would like to have with this wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wig and I'm going to pull it over my head. This is what the hairline is looking like. I have it right over my natural hairline, so I want to make sure to keep it like this. And then when we go in to part it, you can see like the cap underneath is really standing out right in the area that you want your part to be. So you really do have good parting on this wig, you guys. So you can do so many different styles. You can create middle parts, side parts. You can do your little braid out, your twist at the top if that's what you're going. This hairline is dropping down pretty low, close to the brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of this by pulling away, so I don't have to do any excessive plucking. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this drawstring in the back by pulling it down a little bit, and then I'm just going to pull it up so I get that security that I'm here. You want to take that little tiny loop right there and make sure you place it right on top where you put the bigger circle of the drawstring, and this is just going to ensure that it doesn't move around while you're wearing it. And then you want to go ahead and tuck the rest of it underneath your wig so you're not clogged. Once you do that, you don't have any movement to the front of your wig, but the sides, like I told y'all, she's always going to have to get laid down. This is melted in really good, but I'm going to be doing this by section, and they do provide an elastic band for that lace melt illusion. This is a couple of days after date night, y'all. Your girl has been rocking the wig. I went ahead and reinstalled it, and as you can see, I have flattened it out a little bit, but such a realistic unit. I'm in love. I'm in love, and I'm gonna tell you all the deets 1 second. And I was very much so in love with this unit afterwards, just because of the density and the hair quality in itself. So maintaining this hair, all I had to do was use my Revlon Round Brush blow dryer just to get it back to its like bounce and body. And anytime I felt like I put a little bit too much of my heat thermal spray, I just used this dry shampoo and it really brought the hair maintenance unit. And I have been like obsessed with hats lately. For whatever reason, I go back and forth with being obsessed with wearing like snapbacks or fitteds. And this hair works so well with a look that you want to have like a wig on underneath a hat. It probably has something to do with the fact that it keeps raining out here. I'll definitely put all the details down in the description box below, because this is such a gorgeous everyday kind of like, if you are into wigs and you want to get it professionally installed or you install it on yourself, use glue or whatever, this will be a unit that I feel like is just so easy to maintain. Like I said, like low maintenance, lightweight, you can sleep with this. The drawstring attachment just makes it 10 times more comfortable. And I'm telling you, you can put this hair up in a little ponytail. I've been doing it. Just make sure you have your like hair tucked or like pulling up. So here's me like lifting, so updos, or even put my hair in like low buns when I am wearing my hat. Yeah, I think I'm kind of like over the hat vibe, so I really have been letting the wig breathe and run free. Not to mention this tresemme with this is such an easy back and forth with the unit that I'm going to be wearing for Valentine's Day. So I might wear this one. I feel like this even in like a little bob. The battery is about to die, so let me go ahead and get this started. I have the 36 duck bill clips from the beauty supply store. I actually picked up these. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the bottom, because I want to make sure that I section the hair off and then create these curls just to give more bounce and body to the hair.
You said you tried. Oh, you know about that?
Nah.
Just got so tired. Finding guys who just wanna hit it hard. You just need someone. Yeah. And I'm gonna find a way to get you hard. How much I want you, show me where to start. 'Cause sooner or later, you got to. Yeah.
The crazy thing is, this is gonna be my last install from Myfirstwigs, you guys. Taking a break from hair videos, so this is gonna be my last unit from them. Like, we had a good little ride for right now. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I probably will be inserting a few pictures of me rocking this wig. I'm gonna link all of their information down in the description box below, so make sure you take advantage of the sales that they have going. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, girlies.